I'm Swapnika Nagdekar, the headmistress of Saraswati Vidyalaya SP. Now today is the 4th of June. We have started the school. The students have all come with a lot of enthusiasm. They were very eager to go to their classes, to meet their friends. As of arrangement in the holidays only, we have cleaned the classes, done bench repair, repairing and all. And the students also are very good. Only the excitement is very nice to see. We have welcomed them all, and yes, we are starting the new year with a lot of enthusiasm.
result possible.
The 10th standard result was very good. We got a 97.7% for our student. We had 132 students who answered the exam, and distinctions, 52 distinctions we have got. So even I have encouraged my 10th standard students to do better this year, better than last year.